I'm here with Dr. Dean, and we are here talking about, Complete Dental Institute and what is different about what we do. So, Dr. Dean, just for a note for our viewers and whatnot, could you tell me, as the consultant for Complete Dental Institute, what you do differently than what most of the other, consultants do out there?
Sure. So I think one of the biggest things is over the years is when I had private practice, I had numerous consultants come in, and I think each one of them had something you'd learned from, but there were also things that I just didn't feel were very effective. And so one of the things that really separates us at CDI is we really look at the entire practice. And what I've realized over the years is no two practices are the same, but more than that, no two dentists are the same, and no two dentists' vision are the same. So when we come into a practice, I think many times a consultant would come in and, well, this is what I want to change, and da-da-da-da-da-da-da. But I think the first thing that we do that really separates us, where do you want to go as a dentist? What's important to you? Some dentists are happy working 5 days a week, and really the bottom line is, how much can I take home? Other dentists, well, I want to be as productive as I can each hour I'm in the office, but I really only want to work 3 days a week or 3.5 days a week. So once we know what's important to the dentist, it allows us to go forward. The second thing, we don't come in with predetermined notions. There's so many different techniques and different ideas, whether it's filling your schedule or whether it's keeping patients happy and commenting on your homepage or on your Google responses. But we really sit down and look at the entire practice, and that's really what separates us, is we find might not be what's most important that I thought coming into it, but once we look at everything and find where they want to go, then we're able to start building. And the last thing is, it's kind of the Pareto principle. We feel very strongly in the 70-30 principle you might have heard, but that's where 70% of our results come from 30% of our actions. So you could focus on a million things to work on in the office, but what are those things that are going to have the biggest impact? And we start with that first. What one item will have the biggest rewards or biggest impact? And that's where we start.
Okay, so I'd like to thank Dr. Dean for his input on that, and I just want to let everybody know, if you haven't liked the channel yet, go ahead and click on the bell, and you'll get all of our next videos. And I'd like to thank you for your time, and go ahead and leave a comment. If you have any questions, especially for Dr. Dean, just go ahead and leave a comment, and we will get that to you. And we are looking forward to seeing you in the next video.